Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? It's been a really lovely Saturday actually. It's really nice weather, clear blue skies. It's just been gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So this evening I've decided that I'm going to do a couple of unboxings. So I'll film them separately, so don't worry, it won't be a mega long video. The first one I'm going to do is a snack box. I did do this last month and again the company contacted me and asked me if I would like to review the box for them. And I said, yeah, gladly. So the box I'm doing is Snack Surprise. So I did the first one last month and I'm doing it again this month. Snack Surprise, who are they? So they're an English-based company. It's two brothers based somewhere in the southwest. I can't remember exactly where they're based. Devon, Cornwall, somewhere around that area. They love to travel, they love snacks from around the world. So what they've done, they've developed a themed snack box. It's monthly and it costs £11.99. But each month the snack will be featured from a different part of the world. So last month my box, the March box, was an Italian snack box, and I'm not joking, that box went down very well in my household. I think initially because it was like the first month of this lockdown, I think we were just that kind of stress eating and we all just kind of dived into those snacks. I mean, they were very, very delicious. So this month I don't know what the country is, so yeah, let's go in and have a look. So as I said, it's monthly, the box. I have got a discount code for your first box and it's Sussex Sandra 15, and that will give you 15% off your first box. So it's £11.99 per month and your first box will have 15% off if you use my referral code. Clearly this box was gifted to me, so I didn't pay for it, so yeah, do take that into consideration. But you know, my opinions won't be biased. I keep it real every month. Oh, so the theme this month is Germany. God, you know what, I wouldn't mind a bit of beer right now, some German beer. They've cancelled Oktoberfest this year, haven't they, because of this whole thing. Even though Oktoberfest is done in September, but never mind, yeah, they've cancelled it because of this whole pandemic thing, which is, yeah, fair enough. So here we go. April's theme is Germany, and oh wow, we've got all sorts of things going on here. So I'm assuming, oh, it looks like there's two different types of boxes. So you've got an original box and you've got a premium box. They've given me information about both boxes and I'm assuming I have got the original box here. So all the details about the products are inside there. So I'm just going to read the information about the original box. Let's take the stuff out. What we got? So the first thing here is something called Erdnoblocken Classic. Oh, it looks like it's peanuts. So these are, oh, let's got this right. So these are a salty puffed corn snack made with real peanuts, crunchy in the bite but tender in the mouth. They're simply delicious. Oh, that's right down my street. I say that all the time, don't I? Right down my street, but it is right down my street. I love peanuts. I really do love peanuts. So that'll be a battle between me and my sister who will eat that one. I'm going to put the snacks here. My desk is rather full because of the next video I'm going to be doing. So that's the first item. Next item is called Chips Frisch Ungarisch. So this is a classic crisps which are seasoned with imitable spice from Hungary and sun-ripened peppers. Oh, that sounds interesting. Okay, so we've got some crisp there. Okay, so that's the second item. Next we've got this. So this is a Knoppers nut bar. And this is a wafer bar with milk and nougat cream, chopped hazelnuts and caramel covered with delicious milk chocolate. Ooh, come on now. All you've got to do is say milk chocolate, caramel and nuts. No one is getting this. This is mine. So that's what it looks like. Oh yeah. That's what it looks like on the inside. See the different layers. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. It's the only snack I've had today. I've been really good so far, so no judging. That's nice. Right, next Oh, that was really nice. This is a Hanuta bar, Hanuta, Hanuta bar. So this bar consists of 3 wafer layers coated with milk chocolate in between. Then there are 2 delicious layers of milk and hazelnut cream. So that sounds nice. Sounds very similar to what I'm eating at the moment, but that's all good. That'll go down well. Then we've got, this box is full, guys. It really is. So this is knickknacks. Knickknacks. Haven't we got some crisps? They almost look like Cheetos, but they're a little bit more knobbly. We've got some crisps called knickknacks as well in this country, haven't they? They're sort of cheesy. I think you can get like a paprika spice flavour as well, but they're sort of knobbly crisps, sort of mixture of Cheetos and What's-Its. I'm sure they're called knickknacks as well. But anyway, so this is something different. This is knickknacks, and these are peanuts again, in a crispy batter with a spicy seasoning. Your box could include either original or barbecue flavour. So this is barbecue flavour. Oh, I do like these. These are the kind of things I occasionally buy from Ocado. So like those coated nuts. Yeah, I occasionally buy them from Ocado as a little treat. They're expensive though. They're about £2, something or another. But yeah, that's nice. I like the fact there's so much peanuts in it, because I do love peanuts, and it's something that you don't get so much in this country now. I think it's because so many children have got a peanut allergy. It's just like a real big thing. So there seems to be less and less treats out there which have got nuts in them, which is a shame, but again, I understand. Then we've got something else here. I haven't stopped. So this is Pick Up. This is a double biscuit bar with delicious cream filling. Your box may include a black and white, triple choc or classic cocoa flavour, choco flavour. And this is the black and white, which is very similar to an Oreo looking product, isn't it? So that's all cool. So all of these products, again, as I said, it's a themed country. I'm not sure if it's just Europe. I don't know. So we'll have to see what happens in the future, if they'll give me any more boxes in the future. But so far, they've been European countries. So Italy, now Germany. Right, let's carry on. What have we got next? There's something here which I haven't got. Doesn't look like I've got it. So I'll go on to this one. So this is Corny Big. So Corny Big is a granola bar with milk chocolate. If you're lucky, your box may include a choco banana flavour, which includes banana pieces too. Ooh, and I think this is the one with banana. So there we go. So that's something I'd be quite happy to give to Kayla, because it's not so much chocolate in there, so that's not too bad. And it's a granola bar, so it should have some sort of healthy ingredients in there, shouldn't it? Like oats and stuff, hopefully. So that's all good. Next we have, yes, definitely, oh yes, here we go. This is what I thought was missing, but it's not. This is a mini. This is a Ritter Sport Mini. Can you see that? Ritter Sport Mini, a delicious chocolate bar with a tasty filling. Your box may include a crispy cornflake, nougat, or a crispy biscuit filled chocolate bar. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, and this one is the nougat one. Next is, so I'm coming to the end here, guys. Next is this. This is from Ballista yogurt and berry mix, and it's 2 bars here. So we've got wholemeal biscuit bars with wild berry yogurt cream and milk chocolate coating. So that's not too bad. That's a little bit healthier because it's got berries in there at least, and it's got yogurt, so it's a little bit better, isn't it? I know that in my last video, in my March video, someone did comment, oh, it's just too much. It was something along the lines of, oh, it's too much sweet things that are bad for your health. I was like, oh, come on, it's a snack, it's a treat. Get real. You know what I mean? I mean, yes, as long as you have a balanced diet. I mean, this is someone who's overweight here, so I'm probably the wrong person to be saying all this. But as long as you've got a balanced diet and you know, you don't go overboard and eating chocolates and sweets all day long, having a treat, come on. Especially like now, You know, and us women, we need a little bit of chocolate to keep our mood balanced. I think it's an essential part of our diet, chocolate. I really do. It should be given free. It really should be. Right, 2 more items in here. So we've got a drink here, and this, oh, is it a beer? And I was talking about beer a moment ago, wasn't I? This is a, oh, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. A Hodge Browse, and this is the iconic sherbet candy ready to drink. Your box can include this refreshing drink in 2 different flavours, raspberry or blueberry. That's not what I've got here. That's definitely not what I've got here. What I've got here, a blow beer. It says beer. Oh, I'm confused. A Hodge Braze, yeah, that's right. Sherbet candy ready to drink. Oh, but it's got beer, so I was hoping it would be a beer. Has it got any alcohol in it? No, it's definitely not alcohol. Alright. Oh well, okay. I was hoping it would be a beer actually. So yeah, it's just a sherbet candy ready to drink. Not sure about that actually. Not sure about that one at all. I can see that one staying in my fridge for quite a long time. And the final item in the box is from Haribo. Final item in the box is from Haribo, and this is Haribo Troppi Frutti or Peekabala. So this is Troppi Frutti are soft fruit gums in tropical shapes and flavours, and Peekabala are fruit gums with a filling. And I've got here a Troppi Frutti. So there you go. So we have in this box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different snack items. So call it roughly £1 something per item. That's not bad, is it? That's not bad at all. So that's my snack surprise box for April. What did we think? I mean, I'm more than happy with it. I think the only thing people need to think about is that if you have got anybody in your family who have got maybe nut allergies or a dairy allergy, probably this kind of snack box might not be for you. So it's not something for you. But if you're not worried about allergens at all and you don't mind having the occasional snack, sweet snack, little treat, and you can control your eating, because I don't want to be guilty of promoting people to get becoming overweight, then this is a nice little treat box. £11.99 a month. Don't forget, I've got a discount code down below, Sussex Sandra 15, and that will give you 15% off your first box. There you go. That's it. Voila. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you all of this, all snacks and treats and all kinds of wonderful things going on here. Yeah, just press that subscribe button down below. And if you press the little notification bell, that will notify you of my next video. Alright guys, take care. Have a great weekend.